Happy wife, happy life.
Good morning guys! Hulaan nyo kung sino ako. Ako ang iyakin. Ako si Kuya. Kuya Dawson. Hi Kuya! Say good morning. Good morning. Siya lagi yung naunang magigising. Si Braden ay antokin. Laging tulog. Si Dawson ay very active. Yan, every 2 hours gigising. Hi bebe, look at the chubby cheeks. Kaya ang taba, pero usog. So guys, we just switch because Dawson don't want to take his bottle with his dad. And Braden is not crying, so I give him Braden.
Dawson's making Tampo.
Look, he's taking the bottles without problem.
Well, so isn't Braden.
Habang natutulog yung kambal, I'm going to try to use this mask. Kasi, ito yung binili ko. Medyo effective naman siya, nawawala. Yun nga lang, merong mga mark talaga. But I'm gonna work on it. Di naman basta-basta mawawala yan. And, ito yung ginagamit ko, yung toner, yung para siyang cream. And, nawala naman talaga yung mga acne ko kahit yung dito. And, I'm gonna try to use this mask. Hindi ko pa siya natatry. Actually, yung sabi dito, I have to use this twice a day, but I only use this once a day kasi natakot ako baka masunog yung face lock ko. So, now I'm gonna try the mask some mornings. I'll just use that in the evening. So, I might try to use this in the morning. While Calbo is browsing the internet, he's actually looking for a new car kasi plan niya bumili ng van. Hindi kasi kami kasya sa maliit na sasakyan. Well, we're actually having a summer vacation this summer, of course, sa Tennessee. Yeah, that's the place where we always go to during summer kasi meron kaming shutdown sa work for like 10 days. So, I got this 10 days vacation. Kaya sinasabayan din ako ni Calvo. Nagbabakasyon din siya sa kanyang work, and we always go to Tennessee with the whole family, but this time we're going to take his parents also. So yun guys, kung nasa Tennessee kayo, especially the Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg area, we're gonna be there this summer. Daddy is giving Braden a bath.
Yeah.
Next is Dawson.
Yeah, he's enjoying this.
Good job, Braden.
Let's get your butt in your back. Oh, I got you.
Hi, Braden. Ayan, tapos na po maligo si little brother. Braden, inaantok na eh. It's Dawson's turn. Tingnan natin si Daddy at si Dawson. Oh, I need a... Do you have a bath towel there?
Huh?
Wait, me Calvo. Do you have a bath towel?
Oh, no, I forgot.
Okay. I'm gonna go get in a bath towel.
Get the little feet smell so good. Yes, we are. Got a lot of rolls in the legs. Hey.
Hi, Dawson.
Just walk by the butt. I'm getting that butt now. There you go. You got that butt.
Ayan, fresh na po kami guys. Ayan, Braden and Dawson. Parang mas maputi si Braden kaysa kay Dawson, or sa light lang ang camera ko. Hindi ko alam, but I think Braden is lighter than Dawson. Cabo just came home from the store and look what he bought. A purple.
I didn't know it was purple.
Where did you buy that?
It was only $4 at Walmart because this case is broke and I'm having trouble with the volume.
That
and
was
everything.
expensive case.
I know.
You bought a purple. Just
Dang
use it.
No,
Why?
because it's purple.
Nobody will care. Just use that. Just use that.
I'm not using it.
I think Dawson is ready for his milk.
See, like it doesn't look purple here, does it?
Dawson. This is Brayden sleeping. Dawson, I mean. Dawson is ready for milk. Yeah, it's purple.
I mean, did you put a color on the outside of it and tell you what it is?
What do you think it is? Huh? Are you colorblind?
I don't know what I thought it was. I didn't think it was purple till I got back here and opened it up.
What do you think?
I don't know.
What is the closest one to your mind when you see that?
Oh, at the store, I thought like
Oh my
it
God,
was
you're
like a
gay.
like a whitish color.
Your inner. Hi, baby. Good afternoon. Oh, are you ready for milk, Daddy? Please feed him. Yan si Daddy busy sa pag-inom, hindi man ako binilhan.
What?
I said you didn't buy me one.
You didn't ask for one.
I didn't say you're gonna buy one.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay.
You got $15 worth of candy.
Is it $15?
Yeah.
Where did you buy that?
$13. But 15 is close enough.
The other one is expensive?
$9 and $3.
Bought me candies. I'm just gonna send it to the Philippines. Just see if Dawson will take
Baby.
it.
Hey, looky here, looky here. Yeah. There you go. There you go. You want it?
Ayaw dumidi ni Dawson.
Come on, baby.
Daddy.
Come on, baby. He's about to drink it. You almost, come on, baby. Come on. You almost had it.
Change his position.
There's no changing positions. Calm down, come on.
Dawson don't wanna
Calm down.
take the bottles, and Cowboy is saying that
Calm down.
he's not hungry, but I know he is hungry. He just don't wanna take the bottles. Watch me, Daddy.
He's not hungry. He's not hungry.
Give him to me and
That's
watch.
5 times.
Yeah, give him to me and watch. Hold on. Hold on, I have to put him Brayden. Okay, I know you're hungry, baby. I told you, Daddy, I'm hungry.
I don't want to hear it.
So yun guys, katatapos ko lang mag-shower habang tulog pa yung dalawa, pero nagising si Dawson. Ayan, friends sila ni Daddy nila. Hi, they're
Hello.
friends.
For now. Oh, baby.
Is that the new one?
Yeah.
We don't understand why sometimes they would let their dad feed them, sometimes they won't. They wouldn't.
They act like they're hurting a lot.
So we're going to talk to their doctor about it. Actually, I don't like their doctor. So we might switch a pediatrician because I just feel like she really don't listen to us. Maglalagay muna ako nitong aking toner at cream. Narinig ko na si Dawson sumisigaw. Habang tulog pa si Brayden kasi pa-didayin ko na. It's time for him to drink milk. Anyway, I think my underarm is still dark kasi nga nung nabuntis ako, ang itim-itim niya. Kaya guys, kung meron kayong alam na effective na pampalighten ng kilikili after pregnancy, can you guys share it under the comment below? Yung effective lang ha. Kasi diba ang dami-daming products ngayon. Parang nanghinayang ako bumili. Nag-search ako online kaya lang nanghinayang ako bumili kasi baka naman hindi effective. So, hayaan ko na lang muna siya. Anyway, winter naman, hindi naman ako magsusuot ng sleeveless. Sa summer lang kasi pag magbabakasyon kami, ang init-init sa Tennessee. So, baka magsuot na lang ako ng ganito. Or long sleeve. Pero hindi naman siya ganun ka itim na, kaya lang hindi lang talaga siya pantay sa kulay ko. So yun lang guys kasi Si Dawson umiiyak na, pero napatahan nata ni Kalbo. Kasi pinalitan ng diaper. Ito na sila guys, yung magkamukha. Come here na, bebe. Okay, come to mommy. Oh, okay. Nag-inarte lang siya kasi inaantok. See you lang guys for today. Patutulogin ko na to. Bye